Here's what to do if your Quip toothbrush is not functioning. Let's check the battery. Take this thing off. Put in a new battery. Put the push mechanism back in. Click. Still not working. My wife also has a Quip toothbrush. I wanted to test out if it's the click mechanism or the bottom part. So I take her click out of hers, take mine out of mine, put hers in my toothbrush, click, still not working. So that means that it has to be a problem with the bottom part of the toothbrush because it has a new battery. At the bottom of the toothbrush, there's a spring mechanism. We're gonna wanna take a flathead and just play around with the spring. Put the battery back in, put the click mechanism back in, and it works.